Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making some DIY home decor with a high-end look using Dollar Tree supplies. For the first piece of decor, I'm going to be using this little plastic cloche. I wanted the base of it to have a wood look to it, so first I removed the base and primed it with a white spray paint. Then I painted on some brown paint in different shades and tried to let my brush strokes show to give a bit of a wood grain look. I picked up this little succulent potted plant from Dollar Tree, but the succulent was too big for this cloche. So I removed it and was left with a pretty little cement planter. I added some moss to the top of it and then a few sprigs of lavender. For the next piece of home decor, we're going to make a riser out of a little square picture frame, some cardboard, and some chess pieces from a Dollar Tree chess game. I thought about painting this frame, but in the end I was happy with the color of it. So I cut a piece of cardboard to give a bit of a craft paper, more natural look to the inside part where a picture would go in the frame. Then I also cut a piece to use as the backing of the frame, so the legs had something to glue onto. I took 4 chess pieces and glued them to each corner on the back of the frame. I used this trailing eucalyptus stem from Dollar Tree and wrapped it into a circle to make a ring of greenery to go around my battery-operated candle. And that completed this cute little cottage-style piece of decor. The next piece that I made was this little wireless lamp that you can place on your counter, no need for plugs, and it only cost about $4. This is a dupe to one that I've seen at Pottery Barn. From the Dollar Tree, you'll need a glass cylinder vase, a round basket, a puck light, and I used this plant pot that I already had on hand. I'm going to use the plant pot for the inner part of my lampshade to hold the shade in place and for a base to set the light onto. I started by cutting out the side pieces of this little plant pot so that I could get as much light shining through a lampshade as possible. Then I spray painted it white so that it would blend in and you wouldn't see it. I glued it to the top of the vase and then placed my puck light inside and placed the basket upside down on top of that. I love how this one turned out. It adds the perfect little glow to any space without needing to plug it in, and it was very affordable to make. For the last piece of decor, I'm going to make a decorative tray. I used a pizza pan for this one. This is a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree that we had already used, and now I'm repurposing it for this DIY. I wanted to give this a bit of an aged, textured look, so I first gave it a light misting of half vinegar, half water. Then I sprayed it down with a metallic silver spray paint. Immediately after that, I sprayed it down with the vinegar water mixture again, and then gave it a light coat of a metallic gold spray paint, so that the two colors could kind of blend together and give it more of that aged appearance. After that dried, I brought it in and glued on some nautical rope that you can get at Dollar Tree to give it some finishing details, and that completed this project. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed these projects and find one that you might want to try yourself. Bye!